For the shower waste, these are the best traps that I find. Can you see the difference there? Oh, yeah. I look quite fetching, do I, in green? Yeah. Can you see the difference? Can you see how this part here, difference is there? Is massive, yeah? So, the waste is going to go down there, and remember I buried the waste down there underneath. So we need to take this floor up to get that waste, boom, boom. But when you take that floor up, can you see this difference in the step? So the wood joist will come there and you're missing the nut. Do you know what I mean? They're beautiful. So they're not very cheap, these traps, but for me, I've tried lots of traps. These are the best and the easiest and safest trap I've ever known to man. See the hole on them? They've got a right big hole in it. So if you look at a lot of traps, they're not as big as that, they're right tight and they're compact inside. For me, they're not very good. So this is very good. Put it there. I'm going to draw around that now and cut it out. Then we're ready for the tray. So what you got to do is, whenever you're putting anything down, I keep telling people. Right, well that missed completely, didn't it? Shit. There's a steel beam going across here, so it's very, very tricky. Very tricky. See how that pulled it down? Even though this floor is being put down already by joiner over here. Put extra screws in, boys. Extra screws. See how it's pulling it down? Can you see? Let me get you this angle and you will see. You know, no. You see this angle here. Watch this. Beautiful. Now that is what we're talking about. I just nail it everywhere. I like. Remember, you only do it once. Oh, that is obviously the steel. Steely mealy. Foundations is key. If it's not screwed down properly, you might as well go home, lads. Might as well go home. Always make sure, whatever you're putting something on, this tray is going on to, it's got to be fixed solid. What we're doing is we're sticking this 900 by 1700 tray down. And underneath this tray, there's a lot. So what I need to do, draw around the trap. Wants to go a little bit cat's dance. But, yeah. Right now, if this tray was on legs, it would be one there. One there, one there, one there, one there, one there, one there, one there. And then you would have, I presume, I'm only presuming because we're not putting it on legs, you'd have a block there and a block there. So all of it is not supported. I'm not really keen on all this, but they've taken it out to flat it off. So what we need to do is, because we don't want no complications, and we're going to rapid set straight onto this floor. This floor is being sealed, as you can see, as they can see. I like the sound of my own voice. See that void? We need that void filling up. But not only need that void filling up, we need this tray bang level every direction. So the first thing what we're going to do is we're going to cut a hole in this floor for the trap. It's a kudos strap. And then we're going to put the tray back down. We're going to see what it's doing, which level and which form it is. We might need some packers. We'll put some packers on it. Then we're going to mix 2 bags of rapid set. And we're going to fill this void. We're going to do 4 big lines. 4 big fat lines. And then we're going to drop the tray on it. And we're going to go from there. Fish Bass Boss. Don't forget to like, share and follow. So today, lads, you're going to be in a treat. We're going to be putting this tray down. Have you seen how we're priming this floor, this wood floor? Because it's a slat floor. We're not boarding this floor because of the height in here. So we're going straight onto this floor. And we're going to use a rapid gear. The minute I'm just banging this radiator on there because I'm cold. Do you know what I mean? And we're going to put this radiator on. Look at that. Does that blend into the wall? That looks beautiful. I like it. Very dark, but I like it. We're going to do that, and then down here we got Tweedledee and Tweedledum in there, finishing that bathroom.
Just come out of prison.
Just come out of prison.
I'm back on it.
He's back on it, do you know what I mean? He's back on it, he don't mess about. That's why he's so fast, do you know what I mean? They've done that this morning. And now, he's going to do this one. Then as you can see, it is flying away. Do you know what I mean? Now that is what you call a job in town. Fish Bass Boss. Don't forget to like, share and follow. It is just beautiful. Sealed in to perfection. It's ready for tiling. Oh, nice. Can you see the water disappearing? All these trays, right? My mate said to me over there, he says, should we be putting a slant on them? I says, no. We shouldn't be putting a slant on them because as you see inside the tray, there's a natural fall which the floor people, the tray people have made a natural fall, and in theory, it should all fall, but don't bank your hopes on it, you know what I mean, too much. It's definitely going to drain away, which it does drain away, and it'll take time for it all to run down. Now, if you are that fussy, you can use a towel and dry it as you go. Do you know what I mean? A lot of people aren't though. So they just wait for it to run away. It will eventually run away, but it'll only run away if this tray is bang on. If it's not level all the way around, it's just not going to do it. Do you know what I mean? And that is sign of a beautiful tray. That is the ideal size. 900 by 900, the ideal size for the shower. Because you can't have any, it's pointless having any bigger because the shower head's only 450, so you can only shower in a 900 space. Do you know what I mean? So always remember that. Don't forget to like, share and follow. There we go. Now that tray is beautifully put in. And as you can see, you should always check your product, especially if all treatment are coming on. Because no one to be trusted. You know what I mean? Especially builders. Look at that. It's like a job in town. Beautiful. Don't forget to like, share and follow. There we go. Tiled. Different. Definitely different. Definitely different. So, let's crack on with the shower. We take that off. Very simple this. All we do is cut round that frame. Multi-tool. Put front on. Fish Bass Boss, job done. Bolt that in. Reason, this seal is low. But when you put these in, you've got to make sure you always can turn them round. From top. First thing I need to do is clean side up because it's a shithole. But apart from that, then we'll start putting the stuff in. Because Rome wasn't built in a day. Always remember that. I think these tiles are growing on it. It would be good if we had a bit of light.